Hi, my name is Chef Eric Teo and welcome to FairPrice Chinese New Year Cooking Special. Today I'm going to prepare for you a delectable fish wing in sour chicken broth. The chicken broth I'm using is Swanson clear chicken broth. So let's preheat the pot. And we need just water and the broth. So we bring it to boil first. Stock is boiling. So we're going to add the blue ginger, the shallots, some green chili, 2 pieces of lemongrass. And yes, in our life sometimes we feel so sour, right? So we have to go through all these stages, in life. You need the sour to appreciate the sweet. Some long cabbage. So cut the white part. This is the sweetness of the cabbage. And we'll cover and bring it to boil. Alright, so it's boiling. Smells really good over here. So we're going to place the tau kwa into the soup. And we're going to place the fish wing. And we just let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so the broth is ready. So right now we're going to add lastly the tomatoes, the lime leaf, sugar, and a little salt and fresh lime juice. So I'm going to dish out the soup right now. And here you have the delectable fish wing in sour chicken broth. Wishing you a good health and happy returns. FairPrice wishes you and your loved ones Happy Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财!